So this video is mostly for me to remember how to do this, but this is how you clean a Breville. You want to get your tablet and you want to put it into the portafilter, and you want to put the 1 cup basket in here, and then you put this little cleaning disc on, and then you put your tablet in. You lock it in here, making sure this is empty and making sure you have cold water filled up in here. And then you want to put a large container under here to catch the water. You're going to turn this off, and then this is the first time I've done it, so I don't know if this will actually work, but you need to press these two, hold them down, and hold the power at the same time. So I'm going to try that. Let's see if I can prop this up to watch while it does it. Okay, so let's try it out. Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. So at this point, while I was waiting, I just wasn't sure what was supposed to happen because this was the first time I did it, but nothing comes out. It's just like backflushing through the machine. So don't worry if nothing's coming out. Just flush it afterwards till the water's clean. Okay, so we just heard those 2 beeps. Let's double check this is good. No water in there. This tablet should be fully dissolved. It looks dissolved, that's good. Yeah, there's no tablet in there. And let's just see, boom. So it's done, water will flow. Once complete, 2 beeps will sound. I think that's done. I'm gonna flush it because, yeah, so now I'm gonna flush it, and I think that should be included because seems important. And I'm just gonna do this a couple times, and I think that's done. So, gonna do it like a few more times, make sure I'm good on water, and I'm done. So, this video is mostly just to help me and my coworkers, but if you have a Breville and you need to clean it, this is how you do it.